Hammy is a customer communication system that can use multiple channels from email to regular letters to cover all your communication needs. In case of a failed delivery, it emphasizes a cost-effective chain to reach your customers through these various channels. For example, if you send an electronic document by email and your customer doesn't open it for 7 days, Hammy can automatically warn him or her via SMS message. If the customer doesn't open the email despite the warning, Hammy can automatically initiate a postal letter with the related document. The whole life cycle of individual message flows is tracked in detailed level, so you can be sure your message has been delivered. You can use Hammy to increase your sales potential and engage in electronic direct marketing campaigns, where you can rely on the highly automated features and you have full control of your campaigns by using predefined email cycles for the logging of follow-up events, such as message openings, clicks, unsubscribes, which are facilitated by Hammy. Messages in Hammy are created in a HTML editing interface using templates, which can be customized according to your branding and personalized with custom fields. All mails are tested in multiple browsers and email clients prior to delivery for increased customer satisfaction. Instead of sending your documents in a printed form to your customers, let Hammy send digitally signed documents, eliminating the need for paper-based solutions in legally accepted correspondence and save considerable amount of time and costs. When it comes to compliance with the requirements of the authorities, you can rest assured Hammy is fully in line with the strict GDPR regulations when it comes to the handling of your recipient's data, and all of the sent messages are digitally signed and have timestamps so that they count as legally binding according to EU jurisdiction. All documents are either attached in an encrypted PDF format or can be accessed through a portal after authentication. Document delivery, however, is only half of the picture. Document storage, retrieval, and sophisticated searching are also vital to success. Hammy's document management subsystem provides enterprise-level document storage and search functionality. Built-in versioning and relation management make it easy to find both the email and its attached document within one query. A hierarchical authentication is also available through flexible authentication methods. Smooth integration to your software environment is ensured by use of industry-standard interfaces. Hammy can be easily integrated to your existing IT infrastructure due to its high compatibility with market-leader application servers, databases, and message queues. With over 1 billion delivered emails, insignificant failure rate, and thousands of applicable email templates, Hammy's performance is truly high. Due to its high throughput, security, and integration capabilities, Hammy is used by leading financial industry companies. Our customers reached up to 50% saving on their customer communication budget in 3 years after introducing Hammy. If you wish to know more about Hammy and its features, please contact us www.hammy3.com.